mysteriously last October. Police believe her husband, former Sergeant Drew Peterson, killed her, but without a body or any known physical evidence, can prosecutors charge Peterson with anything? Peterson himself says his wife is alive. And in fact, he claims left him for another man. And he says he has evidence. Peterson claims he found a text message that suggests his wife had an intimate relationship with someone, the anonymous caller on the text message, thanking her for an encounter and called Stacy my love. Take a listen to what Drew Peterson is saying about that message.
Well, it means there was somebody else that Stacy was involved with as of September out there. And so state police should be looking at that person, too.
Joining us now more on the phone, Joe Hosey, who is with the Boston Herald News, and former prosecutor Anita Kay. Apologies to both of you. We're going to have to make it quick because of all the breaking news. Joe, do they know who that anonymous caller is? Do police have the identity of that person or not?
No, they don't. I spoke to the spokeswoman for the family today, Pam Bosco, Stacy's sister's foster mother, and she told me today the police are... They said it was impossible to trace this text message. Do
police have a witness they believe helped Drew Peterson arguably dispose of the body?
That's what they were saying about a month or so ago. Peterson's stepbrother, Tom Morphy, supposedly confessed to his neighbor Wally Martinek that he believes he helped dispose of Stacy's body. No one seems to be able to find Tom Morphy now. I don't know if he's in some kind of police protective custody or what.
Well, maybe, I mean, based on what we're hearing, they are gathering some substantial evidence. Let me turn to Anita Kay, former prosecutor. Anita, I mean, look, the law doesn't require you to have a body. It sure does help. But you would be able to prosecute this case, do you think, based on circumstantial evidence and maybe some physical evidence?
Absolutely, Greg. No body murders or no body homicides are difficult. They're one of the most difficult cases for prosecutors. Basically, what you have to do is kind of work backwards and disprove that the person is alive. So you work backwards, and you look at all the circumstantial evidence that shows she's not alive, such as credit card receipts, checking to see hospital records, to see if someone's gotten a new driver's license in her name, Social Security in her name. You know, one of the biggest pieces of evidence.
She disappeared when she told, at the very same time she told Drew allegedly that she was divorcing him. She confided in a friend she feared for her life. Okay. Drew allegedly has a history of stalking, harassment, threats, assaults, and he didn't lift a finger to try to find her. Strange behavior may demonstrate consciousness of guilt. Are those solid assets for the prosecution?
Absolutely. It's all those pieces. It's like a puzzle, and you're building a puzzle in a no-body homicide, and you're taking all those little pieces.
Whoops, and there went the satellite. You could hear the beep. Anita Kay, former prosecutor, Joe Hosey, a reporter.